Very good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss about how to estimate the two variable regression model and obtain a formula for the slope coefficient by using the shortcut method. That in shortcut method, in deviated form, we can use this formula in order to find out the estimate of the slope coefficient, that is beta 1 hat equal to sigma yi xi divided by sigma xi square. Then let us derive how to get this formula from this two variable regression model. Then this is the two variable regression model. We call it as the population regression function. Then yi is the endogenous variable, xi is the exogenous variable, ua is the random variable, and the two coefficients are beta 0 the intercept term and beta 1 the slope coefficient. Then first we can rewrite this first equation in its arithmetic mean form. In the mean version of the equation is written as yi bar is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x bar, and we know that the mean value or the expected value of the random term is equal to 0. Then this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And let us find the deviated form, that is we will subtract each individual observation from its mean value. By subtracting equation 1 from equation 1 and 2, we will get y minus y bar equal to beta 0 minus beta 0 equal to 0. Therefore that term will vanish when we subtract this from this, and by subtracting beta 1 xi minus beta 1 x bar, that is beta 1 xi minus x bar plus ui, and this is the mean version of the first equation. And in shortcut form we can rewrite this yi minus y bar is equal to small yi is equal to beta 1 and xi minus x bar is equal to small xi and plus ui. Then next, this is the population regression function by subtracting the original function from its mean function. Then let us find the sample form of the equation number 3, that is y is equal to beta 1 xi. Then the sample estimate of this function is equal to y hat equal to beta 1 hat xi. Then next we can apply the least square principle into this equation by setting the error sum of square as equal to sigma ui hat square, that is equal to sigma yi minus y hat the whole square, and here that is equal to yi minus y hat is equal to this equation, that is beta 1 hat xi the whole square. And we have to find out the we have to minimize this error sum of square with respect to only a single coefficient, that is the slope coefficient, and we will derivate this function with respect to beta 1 hat and set it equal to 0, that is equal to the derivative of this function with respect to beta 1 hat is equal to 2 into sigma yi minus beta 1 hat xi into derivative of beta 1 hat with respect to xi is equal to xi, and we set it equal to 0. Then next we can we can make an assumption that here it is equal to minus xi, because there is this part is minus beta 1 hat into xi, and we differentiating it with the beta 1 hat, it is equal to minus xi, that is minus xi. Then next we can make an assumption that by multiplying 2 into minus, it is equal to minus 2, and that minus 2 is not equal to 0. Then the remaining part of the equation will be equal to 0. That is sigma yi minus beta 1 hat xi into xi, that is equal to 0. Then next we can multiply each term of this bracket with the xi, and next we can assign sigma into that equation. By doing multiplication and assigning sigma, first we will multiply yi into xi, it is equal to sigma yi xi minus, the next multiply the second term beta 1 hat into xi is equal to xi square, and assigning sigma to the variable part, it is equal to beta 1 hat sigma xi square is equal to 0. Then next we can rearrange this equation as this minus part will go to the other side and become plus, that is sigma yi xi is equal to beta 1 hat sigma xi square. Then from this equation we can derive the formula for the slope coefficient beta 1 hat is equal to this part divided by the another thing, that is sigma yi xi divided by sigma xi square. And we can use this formula when we find arithmetic mean and by taking deviation of each individual observation from its mean value. That is when the y and x variable is given, first we will find the arithmetic mean of both y and x, then next find out the shortcut of y. This short yi is obtained by taking each individual by from its mean value. Similarly, the small xi is also obtained by taking the deviation from each individual xi from its mean xi, and this formula is also used for obtaining the estimate of the slope coefficient in the two variable regression model, that is yi is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 xi plus ui. Thank you.